The walkway over the Hudson, a storied bridge and iconic landmark. Spanning the majestic Hudson River, the walkway over the Hudson is more than just a bridge. It's a living testament to history, engineering marvel, and a cherished public space that connects communities on both sides of the river. Known by various names, including the Poughkeepsie Bridge, Poughkeepsie Railroad Bridge, Poughkeepsie Highland Railroad Bridge, and High Bridge, this steel cantilever bridge has a remarkable story to tell. A bridge with a rich history. This historic bridge was originally constructed as a double-track railroad bridge, and its completion on January 1, 1889, marked a significant moment in the region's transportation history. It served as a vital link in the Maybrook Railroad line of the New York, New Haven, and Hartford Railroad, facilitating the movement of goods and people between the east and west banks of the Hudson River. However, its long and storied history includes periods of challenges. On May 8, 1974, the bridge was taken out of service due to damage caused by a tie fire. Despite these setbacks, its historical significance was duly recognized. In 1979, the walkway over the Hudson was listed on the National Register of Historic Places, and its status was reaffirmed with an update in 2008. This bridge has truly stood the test of time. A remarkable engineering marvel. The American Society of Civil Engineers bestowed the title of National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark upon the walkway over the Hudson in 2009, cementing its status as a marvel of engineering. This recognition celebrates the bridge's innovative design and enduring strength, which have allowed it to endure for well over a century. A bridge reborn as a pedestrian paradise. In a testament to the bridge's resilience and adaptability, it was reborn as a pedestrian walkway on October 3, 2009, as part of the new walkway over the Hudson State Historic Park. This transformation breathed new life into the historic structure, allowing people to walk, bike, and simply soak in the breathtaking views of the Hudson River and its surroundings. Ownership and maintenance of the bridge structure were entrusted to the New York State Bridge Authority in July 2010, under the direction of the governor and legislature. The park itself is operated by the New York State Office of Parks, Recreation, and Historic Preservation, ensuring that this iconic space is well preserved and accessible to all. A unifying landmark. The walkway over the Hudson serves as more than just a scenic attraction. It is a symbol of unity, connecting the Hudson Valley Rail Trail in Highland to the Dutchess Rail Trail. Additionally, it plays a significant role in the Empire State Trail, a network of trails spanning New York State. At a length of 6,768 feet, 2,063 meters, it held the distinction of being the world's longest pedestrian footbridge from its opening, until October 2016, when it was surpassed by the Mile into the Wild walkway. Nevertheless, its historical and cultural significance remains unparalleled. In 2017 alone, the walkway hosted a staggering 593,868 visitors, a testament to its enduring appeal and importance as a public space. It continues to be a beloved landmark, both for residents and tourists, offering a unique perspective on the Hudson River and the natural beauty that surrounds it. The walkway over the Hudson stands not only as a bridge but as a bridge between history and modernity, a testament to human ingenuity, and a testament to the enduring beauty of the Hudson Valley. Whether you visit for its historical significance, its engineering marvel, or simply to take in the breathtaking views, this iconic bridge will leave a lasting impression on all who cross it.